What is going on, guys? Solo is here, the YouTuber that helps you invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys here how to do the covered call, or you could call it the cash secured call, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna show you guys here how to do it. Now, I made a video on how to do the covered puts, okay, how to sell the covered puts. I'll leave that in the description below and in the comments. And I also made a video on how to do the wheel strategy with just $1,500. I'll leave that also in the description below. But today I'm gonna show you guys here how to sell the covered call or how to sell the cash secured call. And I'm gonna show you guys here on the Webull app. If you want to join Webull, you can use my link and you'll get free stocks. It'll be in the description below as well. So in order to sell a covered call, you first want to have 100 shares of that stock, okay? If you don't have 100 shares of that stock yet, I recommend you go watch my video on how to sell a cash secured put, because you basically can earn premium. You can earn free money just from trying to buy a stock lower than what it's at right now. And if it doesn't get lower than that, you get free money. But if it does, then you buy that stock, 100 shares of it. So watch that. Now, let's say you already do have 100 shares of a stock and you want to learn how to do the covered call. All right, perfect. So let's say right here, you have 100 shares of Blink charging. All right, you have 100 shares of it. It doesn't have to be Blink, but it could be any stock out there that you have 100 shares. All you got to do is go right here to options. Boom. Okay. Press right here. And notice how it says cover stock here. You don't want to use cover stock. The reason why is cover stock is made for people that doesn't have 100 shares. Let me just show you right here. See, it says 100. Basically, if you buy this, do not do it. It's basically just gonna it's just gonna buy 100 shares and then it's gonna sell it at a higher price. Okay, so don't do that one. What you want to do is the single option. Press single option. All right. And then from single option, you want to see a price here. Right now, it's currently at 39.5, 39.38. So what you want to do is you want to get a higher price that you're comfortable selling it at. Okay. All right. I'm comfortable selling it at 40. One of the things here is here at the bottom, you guys see it says buy. You want to change that to sell just by clicking it. Press sell. Make sure it's also on calls. All right, calls, and then sell here at the bottom. Click edit. Awesome. Now right here, this is your premium, and this is awesome because you basically get this instantly. Once you sell it, you'll get this into your account instantly, okay? That you can use to buy stocks or to withdraw, whatever you want to do with that money. You can use it instantly, okay? And then once you press sell, okay, there's an expiration date on this option, which is March 19th. I think that's in 3 days. So what happens is, if by the expiration date, if this stock is above 40, you basically sold your stocks, all your stocks, all right, and you gain the capital gains at that 40 limit. So if it goes to 42, you're not gonna get the capital gains from the 40 to the 42. You're only gonna get it up to the 40. But so you get your money from the 40, you sold it, you get that money, and you also keep the premium. But the awesome thing is that, let's say it's not above 40 by expiration date. So what happens is you keep your stocks, you keep your 100 shares, and you also keep the premium that you got from the start. Okay, so you're basically getting $105 for free just by putting in your stocks to be able to sell at 40 before expiration date. Right, and obviously, here's the thing. Obviously, the closer it is to the price right here, so these two are gonna give you the most premium. So you guys can see, the farther away you go. So let's say, all right, I want to sell it. You know, I kind of like the stock, but I don't want to risk too much. I'd rather sell it at $42. If it's above $42, all right. Click on that. You'll see here that the premium is way less. It's $42 that you get in premium instantly. All right. So that's the balance right there with the risk to reward ratio. If you're comfortable selling it closer and you want to risk for that more premium, then you can do that. Now if you're not, you can put it higher, but you'll get less premium. So that's basically how you do the covered call, guys. You press sell and then boom, it's set, and by expiration date it will resolve itself. You don't have to do anything else. Now if you did it and you want to buy it back, you changed your mind, what you want to do is, I don't have one here, but you basically just want to click on the stock and you want to buy it back. Okay, you don't want to sell it, you want to buy it back. All right, so that's basically how you do the covered call. And if you would like to do the wheel strategy, the full wheel strategy, which is basically like a wheel doing the covered call, then the covered put, then the covered call, and you keep going in the wheel, I'll leave that in the description below so you guys can go check that out. So hope you guys like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.